Alright everybody, it's finally here. It's 1:42 and 25 seconds. This is the main drawing for the House of Secrets 92 graded 6.0 and Swamp Thing #1, the raw copy. Whoever comes in first place is going to win the slab. Whoever comes in second place will win the raw book. Sorry for the massive delays, but it was completely out of my control. There was an issue with the random site which would not allow me to run anything. So the mini it took me, I've been trying to run it for an hour and 15 minutes, and I finally got the mini #2 off, which filled all the spots in the main. So over here on the left hand side are the 33 filled spots in the main. And as I mentioned, mini #2, whoever came in first place was automatically getting assigned spots 13, 17, 19, and 20. That was Dave. Whoever came in second place, which was Justin, automatically got assigned spots 21 and 24. And whoever came in third place, which was Steve, automatically got spot 25. So let's get this show on the road and hope the issue hasn't brought itself back. Alright, so far so good. Number is 11. And away we go. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one, 11. Mike Fazzini wins the slab, and Timothy Soup wins the raw copy. The time is now 1:44 and 15 seconds.